Hello. I'm drawing Riza but better. It needs to be more epic. I'll render it into like a semi-realism instead of anime. Let's see how that goes. But like thing is, her hair and everything is glowing. So how would I render that? I'll work in grayscale for a bit, I guess. Time to color my character. Doesn't look half bad. Just doesn't look half bad. Other half is pretty bad. These old, old, 2D, bad, new, and improved. This is the original. Then I improved it a bit. So, and then this is the recent version. Look at this legendary panel. So pretty. That's how it started. Then it went to here. Next progress. More progress. More progress. That's the final progress. Hey guys, Manaki. Thank you for watching. Hope you like my video. This was taken from my stream. Link in the description. There's a link tree down there. See you in the next video. Bye bye.